Adding the back face. My Onshape Fancy Cube back face. Create a version. Version 1 is great. Choose the part. Set it down. Green check mark. Move everything around. And I need this surface touching that surface. So, planar mate. Want this surface. Zoom in, touching that surface. Change the arrow so it's facing the other direction. Green check mark. It's upside down, so I'm going to have to get the bottom surface. This one. Going and touching. Oops, zoom in. Make sure I grab the right one. The top surface. Turn it over. Green check mark. Finally, I want this surface and this surface. Green check mark. Everybody bounces into place. It's all exactly how it's supposed to be.